Hi everyone, it is me, I promise. As you can see, I'm missing one thing, and that is my hair. Sadly, as a result of aging, I've got a little bit thin on the top, grey on the sides, so the hair just had to go, but I'm not complaining. Well, as you can see, I'm in the forest today. I'm in the New Forest, and if you do follow the channel, you're probably well aware I haven't had much luck when it comes to flying the DJI Avata 2 in full manual mode in the forest. So hopefully my luck will change today. So as it's a beautiful morning, I couldn't resist but getting the drone up in the air and sharing some epic footage with you guys. So as always, if you do like the content, please do like the video, drop a comment down below, say hello, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Please do enjoy the footage.